Okay, so the last problem that we have, the table below gives the height and shoe size for 6 randomly selected men. We have our height, which would be our input, and our shoe size would be the output. Okay, so we're going to use the calculator to find the line of best fit. Okay, when we do that, again, go back to day 35 if you're not sure how to use the graphing calculator or how you can use Desmos. Okay, but you're going to put your values in and you're going to get it in the form of y is equal to ax plus b. In this case, when we do it, our a is actually equal to 0.42 and our b is going to be equal to negative 19.8. Okay, so the line of best fit would be y is equal to 0.42, or 0.4, we're rounding to the nearest tenth, 0.4x minus 19.8. Okay, so that's the equation. And the last one says if a man had a shoe size of 10.5, what is his predicted height? Okay, so some of you are actually taking 10.5 and plugging it in for x, and you're saying, wait a minute, it doesn't make sense. We're getting a height of something unrealistic. Okay, like I think it's a negative number. That doesn't make sense. The reason is because the shoe size, if you notice, is actually your y value. So we're going to put 10.5 here, and we're actually solving for x. So we're trying to set it up like this, okay? And we just add 19.8 to both sides, and when we do that, we've got 30.3 is equal to 0.4x, and then we just divide both sides by 0.4, okay? As we solve for x, your x is going to be about 75.75, or approximately 76 inches. Okay. All right, I hope these videos helped. Bye-bye.